What's going on, everybody? ChumpChangeXD here. Hopefully you're all staying healthy and having a great day. So I just wanted to bring you guys a quick video. I just got through a Meet the Miner session with the Hobbyist miner, and I have brought to you guys the new Hobbyist Miner GPU hanger. Just wanted to give you guys a quick good look at these. And then on top of that, I want to show you guys the clip kit that it comes with. So this kit comes with 4 motherboard standoffs that have push pins for the holes on the motherboard. And then it's got 2 blockers that come with that as well. Then you have some L-shaped brackets that basically will suspend the server PSU right on the wire rack. This also doubles as a standoff for the back side of the ATX power supply. So like 2 of these would go on the back and these 2 guys would go on the front. See, it's like a little L shape, nice and thin, and then it's got the 2 screw holes. So you can mount it right to the ATX PSU. That also comes in the 6-pack hanger kit. PayPal links are in the description below. They should be in the description of the Hobbyist Miners video as well. But I want to show you guys what's in this box, because this is going to help with these clip kits. Somebody just brought this to light and I need to show you guys. So let's open this up. I feel like Red Panda Mining. I'm going to use a screwdriver because I'm too lazy to go get my knife. All right. Here it is. Check this stuff out. It is called Home and Office Mounting Putty by Gorilla. It's removable and it's like literally a silly putty. It seems like a decent amount actually comes in this little pack too. So I will drop a picture of a guy from Discord that put this on his clip kit. He basically took 1 square and stuck it on the L shape of the ATX PSU or the server PSU clips and just squashed the server PSUs right down to it. And the standoffs that are meant to support the back side of the motherboard, or the side where the holes don't line up with the wires, he would just put a square right on top here and the motherboard would squish right onto it. This stuff holds up to 2 pounds. It says it's low residue. You can use it indoor or outdoor. Non-toxic putty. Mounting putty, rather. Absolutely insane. Never even seen this stuff, but I thought it was quite interesting. So feel free to go and purchase this stuff for your clip kits. That'll be a huge help versus the 3M tape. I'll have a video at some point putting this stuff on the monster rack build. If you guys haven't seen that video, or those videos rather, go check them out. I'll leave a link above. So super excited to have the Hobbyist Miner hangers in our store. Again, PayPal links will be only red and black for now. Each 6-pack comes with a motherboard kit, or clip kit we like to call it. Somewhere on my channel, I'm sure I show you guys how to use this. But I do have an older version of the old style hangers where I did make a video of these and setting up a rig showing you guys how to use it. But either way, I'll drop a link above, show you guys that video. Again, this is the new version 2 of the hangers. It is basically universal. It doesn't fit every rack, but it fits most. So the only racks I've really noticed that these GPU hangers have trouble fitting are the ones that are the chrome, and they are like the commercial style, so they're super tight together. You literally have like a ½ inch. I mean, obviously you can see these ones are kind of tight, but they're not as tight as those commercial racks. So those are the only ones I've really seen issues with. But other than that, the GPU hangers basically fit on almost all other wire racks, including my massive 10,000 pound red monster rig rack. So you guys got to check that out, see how it works. But yeah, guys, just remember, these are just PLA. They're not made for super high heat situations. If you're nervous about how hot your rigs are getting or how hot the situation is, just make sure you double check, make sure the hangers aren't like deforming or anything. And on a side note, these X's right here can be broken out for cards that have DVI ports. I think that's what it's called, the big port that sticks out the front of the card. Sorry, it's getting late, I'm exhausted. So either way, guys, just wanted to give you a quick rundown of this. Again, each 6-pack, links below, come with the clip kit. So it's full setup for a 6-card rig. The only thing it doesn't come with is that mounting putty. That I'm gonna try out and show you guys in a video later on. So as always, guys, I appreciate you all for watching. Please stay safe. And me and this card will see you guys real soon.